Hey Wealth Web fam, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be talking about how much money you can actually make by doing private label on Amazon. Now, as a 7-figure seller, I'm here to tell you that the number is limitless. You can make so much money on Amazon. When I first started, I never thought I would get to 7 figures, but I have done that. And so you can absolutely do that too. It just takes you finding that product, obviously private labeling it, making it better than what's already on the market, and ultimately launching that product. So that's private label in a nutshell. But today I'm going to show you exactly how much certain very basic products are making on Amazon. Now this product right here, this is a budget book that I bought off Amazon. I'm going to show you exactly how much it's making. And it's gonna be shocking, honestly. So I will show you that in a second, but my whole point with this video is to encourage you to do private label, do the product research, find products, and ultimately build a brand around that product. And then if you really want to, in the future, you can sell that brand. I'm gonna show you a few different products that are very basic and show you how you can figure out how much money they're making per month. And then also, you guys know I use Helium 10 to do product research. You can absolutely use Helium 10 to take a look at the revenue. It's really exciting. When I see numbers that are huge, it just gets me fired up, makes me want to go even harder, because believe it or not, this book is making a few $100,000 per month for someone just like me, just like you, and you can come and do the same thing. I'm not saying it's going to be easy, because if it was easy, everyone would be doing it. It's very complex. Private label is really hard, but once you get it right, you're chilling. Seriously, like all you have to do is just keep replenishing, ordering from your manufacturer, sending it to Amazon's warehouse. And it's not like these other business models where you have to sell other people's product and find, suppliers that will sell that product to you and make like a small profit. You make bigger profits when you're doing private label, and you just have more control over your product, because again, you branded it. This is your product that you're bringing to the market, and your brand could be worth millions down the road depending on how much revenue you've generated. So I'm on Amazon.com, and I'm going to show you exactly how much this notebook makes. So this is a brand on Amazon that's private label, Clever Fox notebook, and they're making a ton of money. So right here you can see they have a ton of different notebooks. They're doing amazing, they're crushing it. Let me just find the notebook that I have, and I'm going to show you exactly how much money it's making. So right here, premium edition. So this is the notebook that I have. Now the revenue is going to be for all of these notebooks on this listing, but let me just show you how I would go about finding out how much this product is making. We're going to be using Helium 10's X-ray extension. If you don't have this extension, or if you've never used this extension, I swear to you, it is a game changer, because it shows you how much revenue a product is making. It also shows you how many sales they're getting per month. You can also find suppliers by using this extension. So what you would have to do is, if you're already a Helium 10 member, you just go to Google Chrome, go to the App Store, type in X-ray Helium 10 extension, and you'll see that, download it, and then pin it to your dash right here, and it will start working on Amazon.com. It is so amazing. This has just made my life so much easier, and I highly recommend it. So X-ray extension right here. Again, you can see that this notebook right here is making $39,623 per month. Just this one notebook, actually, because it would show me all of the notebooks right here if it was the whole listing. It's just this one notebook, guys. This one notebook is making a seller just like you and me $39,000 per month. So you guys want to know how much money you can make doing private label on Amazon? I'm telling you, there is no limit, okay? So it is so powerful. Guys, make sure you get into private label, but just take your time, find the right product, and fail forward. It's so awesome being able to see these kind of numbers. All right, guys, so I showed you that this product right here, a very basic product that is a notebook, is making, $39,000 per month. It is a very basic notebook. You can do something like this and bring it to the market, or you can create a completely different product. But I'm going to show you how I would go about finding products that are similar, or just finding products that are in this niche. This is the office niche. So what I would do, I'd go over to helium10.com. I'm gonna go to their black box tool, and we wanna do products, which is finding a product that we can potentially bring to the market that meets the criteria that we've inputted. So what I would do is go to the subcategories. I'm gonna go to office products right here. And what we're gonna do is basically go down, go down, go down, and we wanna do notebook. So we're interested in notebooks, and we want that in the title. And if you wanna get even more like specific, you could do like expense tracking notebook, you could do self-care journal, you could do gratitude journal, you could do everyday planning journal, whatever you want to bring to the market, you can do product research on. So the rest of this stuff, I would leave blank, because again, we're just trying to see if this is even a good niche, if we should actually get into it. So I'm just gonna search, and then of course you could go back and edit the advanced filters and exclude certain keywords. Let's say you didn't want to use like keep seeing these products from Clever Fox, you could type in Clever Fox and it'll exclude those keywords. So there's a lot of advanced filters that are amazing that you could totally use, but I'm just gonna show you that there is room in this niche potentially to come in and compete. So we're finding products on Amazon.com that match this criteria. We want to find notebooks on Amazon in the office product category, and just see if there's room to compete. So what do I mean by that? I like to take a look at the number of reviews, and I like to take a look at the monthly sales / monthly revenue. And so what we're gonna do, we want the reviews to be low. We also want the ratings to be kind of garbage, because we, as a private label seller, you can come in and innovate that product and bring a better version of that product to the market. So right off the bat, I'm interested in whatever this is right here. And it's getting around 4 monthly sales, which is not good. Something's up with this product. Everything's down. The BSR is not good. I'm just gonna show you this as an example, because this is how I would do product research. So what I would do is go through this whole list, compile whatever products that have a low number of reviews. This only has this has 11 reviews and it's 3.9 stars. It's not making a whole, like, it's only making $35 per month in revenue, so I wouldn't normally even look at this, but I want to show you my thought process behind how I would go about it. So I'm going to click on this listing right here. We'll open it on Amazon by clicking this. And so what this is, oh, it's like a pop-it notebook. So basically you can like pop these little like indents, kind of for like fidgety people, which is great. I mean, this is a whole niche in itself. There's a ton of toys that are pop-it. There's even backpacks that are pop-it now. So that's great. I love it. There's something wrong with the notebook though. It probably doesn't pop well. Let's take a look at the reviews. And what we want to do is take a look at the 1-star, 2-star reviews. Cute, but popping noise, not very loud. So cutest notebook, cute notebook. Okay, cool, daughter loves it. Bomb. Great. So where are the bad reviews coming from? Let's see. A lot of people gave it 4 stars. Let's do 2 stars. See what the problem is. Just a review, 3 stars. So a lot of them are review ratings, but they don't have that many reviews in general, which is why their rating is so much lower than it should be. And again, it's not something that I'm even interested in, because it has super like low revenue. Revenue is the most important thing. If your desired amount of revenue isn't there, I don't even click on the product. But I just wanted to show you like there is potential to improve products, and that's by looking at the negative reviews. So let's keep going down, keep going down. This is making 3.3K. This is making, 2.3K. This is making 48K. Now that is something that I'm interested in. 4.7 reviews, rating, 358 reviews. I mean, they're doing something right. Number 48 in Spiral Notebooks, definitely doing something right. Let's open them up and we're gonna take a look. This is an 8.5 by 11 graph notebook. So they're specific, this is a graph notebook. And let's say I wanted to maybe get into graph notebooks. I would take a look at the graph notebook niche and then kind of go about seeing if there's room to compete. Let me just show you how to do that real quick. So graph grid notebook, we'd type that in and then we would search it up. Before I leave this page though, let's just take a look at the rest of the niche. So they have graph, they have line, they have blank, and they have dotted. So they covered all of the categories, which is probably why they're doing so well. So, you know, this is a competitive niche. Notebooks, everyone wants to do it because it's so easy, right? So unless you have something that differentiates you, unless you have just a new idea or that you're actually going to design and format your own product, your own notebook, it might not make sense. But I'm just showing you, like, you can find products by just looking at certain keywords and diving deeper into the niche using Helium 10's black box products tool. And basically what you do is enter in a product that you're interested in and then keep looking through those products, seeing if the monthly revenue is there, see if you could differentiate, see if there's low number of competitors, and see if there's low number of reviews. If it has bad review ratings, you want to take a look at that as well. See if you can come in and differentiate that product and make it better. And if it works out and everything checks out, you can totally launch that product and bring it to the market. Now, this is the graph grid notebook. Let's say I was interested in selling this. You see right here, there's over 1,000 results for this graph grid notebook. So there's a lot of products already in this niche, but you can see that there's different kinds. So there's, you know, 3 packs, 1 pack, 2 pack, a small one, a big one. So if there's something that isn't on the market and you thought of that and there's a demand for it, you can totally bring that to the market. And what you would want to do to figure that out, you have to go through all of these products and you want to make sure that you do your due diligence and see that it would be the right thing for you to do. This is a competitive niche. I'm not saying go launch this product, but I'm telling you that there is so much money to be made on Amazon for the most basic products. And that's exactly what I wanted to showcase in this video, is that you can launch very basic products if you come in, think outside the box, differentiate, bring it to the market. And it is so possible. So the sky's the limit when it comes to private label, guys. I definitely recommend that you start your private label business, find the right product to sell on Amazon. And if you need help finding the right product, check out this video right here where I talk to you extensively about how to go about product research.